Well, good morning and welcome to week 4. Hope everyone's enjoying the class so far and really enjoying everything that's going on. This week, we're going to be looking at Encountering the New Testament, pages 179 through 218, which is going to cover Acts chapters 1 through 12. And this is the first part of the week, Monday through Wednesday on this. So, we're going to have our usual reading guide and our reading quiz, and then we're going to have the lectures that you can actually look at and look at the notes as well. You have a discussion board post that's due, and you're going to have a lecture quiz that's going to cover lectures 12 through 16. So you have a review available in lecture 17, so it'll be right here. We'll talk about that a little bit more on that part, just to make sure you have everything you need on that part to make sure you are ready for that exam. So that's pretty much our part of Monday to Wednesday, which is part A of the class this week. We're really just looking at kind of the early church within the book of Acts. And that's one of the things that really is our focus this week. So, in Thursday through Saturday, you're going to have pages 222 to 251. And in the New Testament, we're going to be looking at Acts chapters 13 through 28. You're going to have a reading guide and a reading quiz as always. The lecture notes here. That's going to talk more about Paul and his theology. Paul becomes a very, very big part of chapters 13 through 28. He is a little bit of a pretty big part in the first part of Acts, but it's all about the apostles and really kind of how their ministry goes about and really looks at how things are moving once Jesus is gone from the world. I mean, physically gone from the world, obviously. His ministry and stuff goes on through the apostles later on. But we also have a discussion board for 4B on this. And then we have exam 1 and lectures 2 through 16 on that. We also have a map 1 test. You guys made your maps. This will actually give us a test based on that. So those are the things we have to do this week. And it's one of those things where I definitely want you guys to look and understand exactly what you're looking at and what you're going after. If at any time this week you get any questions or really get stuck on anything, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you out and hope you guys have a great week.